everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal and today we are here at Purva Bluebell, which is located in Magadi Road, Central Bangalore, a project developed by Purvankara Group. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the details and you can check out the model flight as well. And about the land parcel is just behind me where the construction work is going on. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of this miniature. So this is total 3.85 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. That is Tower B consists of 2 basement ground plus 32 floors. This project offers purely 3 BHK ultra luxurious apartment. Now let's discuss the location part. So this project is located on Magadi Main Road in Central Bangalore. You can connect to GT World Mall in 850 meters. KSR Bangalore City Junction is 1.5 kilometers. Balagangadhar Swami Flyover is 2.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities. So this project provides you ultra luxurious amenities like this is the Grand Clubhouse with swimming pool, office spaces, indoor game. This is multi-purpose school, garden area, kids play area and many more amenities in this project. Now let's discuss the super built up area. As mentioned, this project offers you purely 3 BHK premium residency. So your 3 BHK starting from 1430 square feet to 1630 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So our project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme. We'll show you the model flat as well, and then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project Purva Bluebell, located in Magadi Road, Central Bangalore, a project developed by Purvankara Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.